Dream it. Build it. Grow it. Whatever your vision, a SaaS app, an AI, ML business, a website, an e-commerce store. Build it here using DigitalOcean's simple, cost-effective cloud hosting services. Sign up with email. Sign up with Google. Sign up with GitHub. Number 1. In IaaS usability, VPS for SMBs, and SMB hosting on G2. Paperspace joins DigitalOcean to expand AI capabilities. DigitalOcean has acquired Paperspace, a leading provider of high-performance NVIDIA GPU compute. Paperspace will give you the opportunities to test, build, and scale AI models in the cloud. How real businesses use DigitalOcean to accelerate their growth. Loot.tv uses managed Kubernetes and Spaces object storage to grow their streaming business. Cloud providers love gouging on bandwidth for seemingly no reason. The only reason that Loot.tv can exist is because of the very cheap overage bandwidth charges on DigitalOcean Spaces. Joshua Verdehem, co-founder, Loot.tv. Read the case study. Build and scale WordPress and PHP websites effortlessly with Cloudways. Over 90,000 digital agencies and e-commerce businesses enjoy hassle-free managed website hosting with Cloudways. Get started with $100 in free credit. Benefits to activate the builder in you. From simple tools and predictable pricing to support designed for growing businesses, DigitalOcean's cloud is built to serve the unique needs of startups and SMBs. Build and ship faster using simple tools. All of our products are built with simplicity at their core, so you can spend your time focusing on building apps, not infrastructure. Grow profitably with predictable cloud costs. Our predictable pricing and leading price-to-performance ratio contribute to an ROI of 186%, according to a Forrester study. Reduce your roadblocks with dedicated support. Get free, personalized support or upgrade to paid plans to receive dedicated help and faster response times. Improve customer experience by building on a reliable platform. Deliver superior customer experience with our globally distributed platform, minimal downtime, and intuitive products. Quick product tours. Check out our brief product tours to see how simple, easy, and pleasant it is to use DigitalOcean's cloud hosting products. A cloud for your entire journey. DigitalOcean's suite of products is designed to be with you on every step of your journey, whether you want to do it yourself or get help from the experts. Managed hosting. Cloudways is a fully managed cloud hosting solution for digital agencies and e-commerce businesses. Built to deliver performance without complexity. Virtual machines. DigitalOcean Droplets are simple, scalable virtual machines for all your web hosting and VPS hosting needs. Kubernetes. DigitalOcean Kubernetes is a managed solution that is easy to scale and includes a 99.5% SLA for HA and free control plane. App Platform. Build and deploy apps without managing infrastructure with DigitalOcean's platform as a service and serverless solutions. Managed databases. Managed MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis let you focus on your apps while we update and scale your databases. Storage. DigitalOcean Spaces Object Storage and Volumes Block Storage are business-ready storage solutions. Learn from the experts. Whether you want to learn about funding your business, installing Linux on Ubuntu, or getting started on DigitalOcean, we have the educational resources for you. Product documentation. Learn how to spin up a virtual machine, get started with block storage, and more with in-depth documentation. Business advice. The Wave is DigitalOcean's hub for startup and business-focused content on funding, hiring, and scaling. Technical expertise. Visit DigitalOcean's community website and CSS tricks to learn from wide range of technical tutorials. Start building today. Sign up now and you'll be up and running on DigitalOcean in just minutes. Get started for free. Enter your email to get $200 in credit for your first 60 days with DigitalOcean.